A little bit. Oh, the cop's turning left. Good. He's not going to pull us over.
Wow, it's just punchy. It's real punchy.
Well, you need the torque for the only 2 speeds.
Exactly.
Yeah, the 327 makes plenty of power to get this thing around. It's actually pretty quick.
It is. I'm not going to go too fast, though. It's too much of a great car.
Yeah. Ready? I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello, everybody. I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera, as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away. Oh, my Lord. Hey everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera. As always, is Jake the Snake, and we are Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away.
Heck yeah, we are. 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west. I'm going to stick the phone number above Steele's head. Remember, write it down, call us about this amazing C1 Corvette or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given point, and also like and subscribe, because when you do that, it helps us help you, help us help you. And when you subscribe, hit the bell, because then you get notified when we make cool stuff like this. And also comment, because I like to read those. Chris doesn't read them though.
I don't know if I know how to read. I do, but I'm not going to read those. Anyway, this is what started it all, the 1962 Corvette. No, it wasn't the first year. That was 53, right? Well, yeah. 62 was the last year of the C1. This is the 327 automatic, this particular car. And this reminds me of the 1981 cartoon movie, Heavy Metal. This was at the very beginning scene. I think this is the reason why Elon Musk put that damn Corvette in space. Anyway, here's a white one. It's got a 327, 2-speed PowerGlide, white with red interior. It is, well, it's iconic. I mean, I don't know what else you can say. Is it beautiful? Yeah, but it's a piece of art.
And because it's a C1, you actually have a trunk.
You do actually have a trunk in this car.
The C2 has some space back there.
This is actually big.
It has an actual trunk on the C1. I got some B-roll of it. You got nice floor mats. It's all red back there. I mean, it's been restored, and it's just in incredible condition.
The interior is actually really cool. It is. It's very period.
Yeah.
I mean, come on, 62.
You got the domed passenger side dash over here with the grab handle.
Love the handle.
Cool, and you got a little cubby for your stuff in there. Really neat, automatic, like you said. Interesting car.
I like it.
A really nice cruiser.
Oh yeah. So let's just give it a start. Let's see how we do it. Let's go for a drive.
Let's go for a drive. Hop in. You kind of have to stand up inside of it and then sit down. It's not the largest car ever.
No.
Yeah, cranky windows.
Love crankies.
They roll really well. And very nice. There's forward.
There we go. The old 2-speed PowerGlide.
Yeah, like I said, you have a cubby right here for stuff, a grab handle on the passenger side, and Corvette written there on the dash, which is cool. It's kind of a mirror image, the shape of the driver's side and the passenger side. And even Chris Gershman earlier was like, or told me, and it's almost like it was made to be right-hand drive as well. Like you just have to put everything that's over there on this side.
Like for a European spec?
Yeah.
Kind of neat.
It is kind of neat. Down below you have the radio, which does work. You ready? Let me find a station.
Probably need to find a station.
Come on.
Ooh, sorry, buddy. Ooh. You got some pep. There it is.
Radio works.
Wow, 2-speed PowerGlide. She's got a little pep, there's no question.
Little bit of pep.
Well, this is the first time I've ever driven a C1. I'm pretty excited about it.
Got the defroster down here with your air and temp controls and a clock, which is working because it has moved since the last time I saw it.
Well, I'll be darned.
Here's the automatic shifter down here with an ashtray. just in case you want to take up smoking.
Don't do it, kids.
Don't smoke. Smoke tires, not cigarettes.
There you go.
We say it all the time now.
Now it's just part of our vernacular.
The gauge cluster on the C1 is really cool. You got the RPM gauge right there in the middle, and then you got like oil pressure and battery on either side, and the speedo is that real big one right in the middle on top.
Hard to miss.
Hard to miss. We're showing 58,000 miles and some change. I think it's 58.
How about 5,800 miles?
5,800 miles and some change. Just kidding.
Yeah, it's a really neat period car. It really is.
I'll turn my head backwards so it doesn't fly off. Yeah, that might be since the restoration. I'm assuming it's not 5,800 original miles.
No, sir.
But I mean, it's a nice car. You got nice carpet. It's kind of like red and black woven together, which is kind of cool. It makes a cool pattern. White on red is also just a classic combination.
Iconic, just like the C, which is like Corvettes are. They really are that way.
Right.
Horn works.
Horn works.
Sorry.
Huge steering wheel.
It is.
That was a thing in the 60s. I don't know if this car, I don't think it has power steering.
No, sir,
But
it does
you
not.
don't-
And it does
you
not
don't-
have power brakes.
You don't need it because the steering wheel's so massive. It doesn't feel that heavy, honestly. And
Really
it's not
doesn't.
a heavy car, so
No,
it just
very
kind of
light.
darts around. Really nice.
Really drives good.
And I love the mirror mounted to the dash instead of the windshield.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
kind of cool. No passenger side mirror, but you don't need it.
No, sir, you don't.
You got your driver mirror and your rear view. That's all you need.
It really is. That's all you ever need.
A lot of space behind us and a police officer of the law.
Of the law. I think it's turning right. Well, there's not much of a bean test in a C1, so
No, there really
we're not
isn't.
going to really do much. Oh, man, but it is a neat car. Okay.
It is.
You know what? I didn't know what to expect because I've never driven a C1 before, so this is all new to me. I like it.
It's refined.
Very.
Compared to the C2, definitely. It's really a cruiser. It's pretty quick. It's quicker with the 4-speed, I think.
I believe you're
The
right.
PowerGlide's more for just cruising around, but I mean, it's still a fun car. And with the top down on the river road in Grafton that we've talked about
We've
before,
talked about it. It's worth going, guys.
or
It
any
really
coastal
is.
road, really, it's just a nice drive. It's comfortable.
Sure.
You got
Very.
the bucket seats that are big and cushy.
They are.
And this one has the soft top. It is white. You can put it up. If you want to see pictures of the soft top, go to our
Well, there
website.
it goes.
I have a full photo set of this entire car with the top up, top down, interior, engine bay, everything. So if you want a real detailed look at it, go look there. But it goes up easy. It's a manual top, just like the C2, but it's really easy to do. It's 4 latches and you're done. This big chrome button in between us is what you press to get the rear
That
deck
makes it
lid
go
open.
up. Okay.
Yeah, to get to the top. But it's a one-person job, which is nice.
I like a manual.
Yeah, you don't need help with it, which is cool. Yeah, the body lines on the C1 are just awesome too. It's an iconic look.
It is.
With that dish kind of oval shape on the side too.
It screams America.
It does scream America. Although for something that screams America, it does look like a European sports car of the day.
It
a little
does.
bit. A little bit. Oh, the cop's turning left. Good. He's not going to pull us over.
Wow, it's just punchy. It's real punchy.
Well, you need the torque for the only 2 speeds.
Exactly.
Yeah, the 327 makes plenty of power to get this thing around. It's actually pretty quick.
It is. I'm not going to go too fast, though. It's too much of a great car.
Yeah. This one is special.
As well it should be. The first run of any car is special, and this
And
is the
I
last
like-
year of this C1.
I like the later C1s with
Double headlights?
the 2 headlights on each side rather than just the singles. I think it looks better, but that's just me. Personal preference, really, but...
Have all the preference you want.
All right.
Wow,
Here's the
here we
parking
are.
lot.
For our wonderful flybys.
They're going to be some
which will be
tame-
coast bys.
They're going to be, yeah, more like coast buys, you're right. And this
Well,
thing doesn't fly. But,
I'm not punching it. There's no way. I just respect it too much.
yeah. You ready?
I am ready. Well, it's a classic. There's no question. You're not going to win any races, but you're going to probably win the best looking car at the show. You want to drive it back, Jake?
I do.
Let's do it.